Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change name in Google Meet. So first, open your Google Meet app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on this new button right here at the bottom right hand corner to create a new meeting. And here, tap on the create a new meeting right here at the top. And once you've done, just need to tap on this join meeting. And basically right here, as you can see, just need to wait for a few seconds, then tap on join. And then right from here, all you need to do is tap on the name right there at the top, TFXMAJEIVD. So tap on that. And basically it will show you your current name. Now, if you want to change your name in Google Meet, you want to go to your Gmail. And then right from here, tap on your profile icon right there at the top right, then tap on manage your Google account. And here, all you need to do is go to your personal info on your tab. And here, just need to change your name. So go to name and we're going to change it to other name. So we're going to add right here. So tap on the pen icon right there at the far side, far right. And here, we're going to change the name or we're going to add the last name here. We're going to add a number, basically 2022, and then tap on the save button right here at the bottom right. Now, once you've done, go back to Google Meet and then tap again that TFXMAGEIVD at the top right there. And then, as you can see, your name has changed on Google Meet. So that's it. That's how you basically change name in Google Meet. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.